Hey, welcome to Life with Kernel Lee. I'm Kernel Lee. Today we are at Black Creek Lake LBJ National Grasslands, one of my favorite places to go camping. Today we're checking out a new 2-person 4-season tent from Ayamaya. Alright, let's get a pack size of the 4-season 2-person tent from Ayamaya. So we are 18 inches long, 6 inches wide. Okay, we got 6.26 pounds. So here is a look at the 2-person 4-season tent from Ayamaya without the rain fly. So there are basically 6 poles, but they're all connected together with a pole hub here. So these are aluminum poles. So you got your 4 regular poles in a traditional X shape, and then you have the 2 additional brow poles. So this is going to raise up the sides of the head, give you more headroom and more vertical effect there. So this being a 4-season tent, they don't have a whole lot of mesh in the tent body itself. But there is pretty good amount of mesh for airflow. Has a bathtub style floor. Okay, here is the 2-person 4-season tent from Ayamaya with the rain fly on in the orange and white and some black trim. Nice colors. So you notice how long the rain fly is. It does go past the bottom of the tent, and these are snow skirts. Or you can put anything on this to help keep the wind out of your tent. Now, if you don't want to use the snow skirts, you can roll this up. And there's a loop and toggle, and it holds it up out of the way. So you do get 2 roof vents, and there is a zipper on the inside there, so you can access your vent panels from inside. You get 2 doors, 2 entrances on this tent, also 2 vestibules. To get a rather large vestibule here, and you can completely open this side up. You can take that ground stake out and then roll it all the way to the end of the tent and have it completely open if you'd like. So let's take a look at some features inside the tent here. So you can see all the mesh, and then you can see the roof. There's our roof vent right there. And like I said, we can access that from inside the tent here. So we just open that up, and then we can open and close that if we need to. So we have a pocket here, and just one. So we just got one pocket there. And then we have a mesh gear loft as well, and a hook for your light source. All right, let's take a look at the other side here with the vestibule closed. So you can see how high the bathtub style floor goes up. So any seams with the zipper here where air could blow in through, it's high up off the ground, and the snow skirt rain fly is really going to block out your airflow to maintain warmth in your tent here. So like I said, it's a good size vestibule here, and you get two of them, so you can designate one for storage and have the other one for your entrance. So this tent does have heat tape seams on the rain fly and on the tent floor. So, and also you're going to have waterproofing, so you will be able to keep the rain and moisture out of this tent. So as 4-season tents go, this is a 2-person, 2-door, 2-vestibule, and it weighs a little over 6 pounds. So for a 4-season tent, that's really not bad, just a hair over 6 pounds. When you get into 4-season tents, they tend to be a little heavier, materials are a little thicker, and the rain fly is, you know, there's more material that you're dealing with here. So so can you backpack with this? Yeah, you absolutely could, but just keep in mind 6.24 pounds, I believe it is. So I do have some 3-season tents that are 2-person, and they weigh about 5 pounds. So getting a 4-season tent for a little over a pound more, that's not too bad. And if you're not going on extremely long hikes, you're really not going to notice too much of a difference. And the pack size is definitely workable as well as far as fitting in your backpack. So there you have it, 2-person 4-season tent from Ayamaya.